hour ago, and now we're almost done. So we're about 45 minutes in. We're done swapping the tires. Technically everything is done. The next thing is optional, whether or not I want to do the balancing. They're very kind. The guy came to me and told me that we're gonna check the balancing. If it's all balanced and stuff, we won't charge you. But if we need to do a bit of balancing, then yeah, obviously there'll be a cost to it, which is fair enough. Overall, the experience has been great. I come here, they know what they're doing, they're very fast with what they're doing, they have enough manpower to swap the tires and within 1 hour, all 4 tires. It's actually a tedious job because these tires, they're heavy. I mean, these are smaller ones over here, but the ones I got is about 19 inch. This is this is even bigger than that. This is 18 inch, slightly smaller. But these tires are actually heavy. So, I mean, for them to be carrying all this thing is not easy, but they were very quick in what they were doing. So kudos to them. Setia Tyre Auto Service Center, which is the one that's doing my installation. We're going to be driving on these tires over 1 month, and we're going to see how we perform against soft tires. They're putting everything back, we're almost ready to go. We can do a bit of balancing, and then we're good to go.